is 27th of February. In every over 32 province of the Dominican Republic, there is Avenue 27th of February in honor of the Independence Day. We're going to the high income area, middle income area. Right now, we're gonna be visiting the Carmen. It's a souvenir gift shop where you're gonna have the opportunity to have explanation about Larimar, the national stone of the Dominican Republic. You're gonna have a shop, a welcome drink of Mama Juana. Are you ready?
Oh Lord God.
Yes. So we can see people driving a motorbike around the Puerto Plata city. There's a lot of motorbikes. They drive fast and furious. It is called moto taxi, moto concho. Local people pay a rate of 50 pesos, 75 pesos, 100 pesos, and they take people to any place around. On the right, we can see the clinic, right? Private clinic, but we do have hospitals. On the clinic and the hospital, people need to have the health cards, and the government subsidiate them for the low income people that need to have any service on the hospital. So it means education, health, it's free in this country. So thanks to our main economy, income of the Dominican Republic, that is you. Thanks to you, our country has been developing day by day. 40 years ago, 40 years, started tourism being the main economic income of the Dominican Republic. Before that was the agriculture product mine that we have. Puerto Plata. Puerto Plata means port of silver or silver port. Do we have silver mine in Puerto Plata? No. The name of Puerto Plata, it was given by the color that the Admiral Christopher Columbus saw on the mountain, right? What do we have in Puerto Plata? Amber mine. This is the only thing we have in Puerto Plata. Amber mine. Amber, that is a sad trip that get into the ground and get petrified by 50 million, 60 million years. And every piece of amber is unique. Every piece of amber is considered as a fossil. In amber, you can find some insect. And now we're gonna be approaching into the souvenirs where you're gonna see some amber mountain in silver and gold. And that will be a person to explain to you and give it details of this Larimar, the national stone of the Dominican Republic. On the left is the market where people purchase the food every day to put in a place that is grocery store. We name it as colmado. Into the every neighborhood of the city, you see when we go around, they have those little places, colmados, where people can have the opportunity to buy the food. And sometimes people make agreement with the owners. They pay daily, or they pay every week, or every 15 days, or every month, as the income they have. So right now, we're gonna be into a Carmen gift shop, and then you're gonna have the explanation, some person that will be explaining to you about the items they have around. Are you ready for the shot of Mama Juana?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's not. It may not be a mirage.
Okay.
Left